Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to secure your Exodus wallet with a Touch ID. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First, open the Exodus wallet, then go to the dashboard or menu, which is in the bottom right corner. And here you can see at the profile section, the security icon. And if you tap on it, here you have three different sections: backup, secure with passcode, and secure with Touch ID. Now, to use Touch ID, you also have to set up the passcode first. So as you can see, the Touch ID is now not available. I have to tap on the secure with passcode, and on this page, by tapping on backup now, you can set up your passcode, and after that the Touch ID is going to be available, and by tapping on it you can activate the Touch ID for yourself. That's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe for this iPhone, and see you in the next one. Bye.